Good afternoon, class. Today, we are back to our French alphabet. Last video, we had a look at how to pronounce the French alphabet in a word. And we studied the A, comme dans ananas, B, comme dans banane, C, comme dans clé, D, comme dans dictionnaire, E, comme dans église. Today, we are continuing from F. So F, let's say F, comme dans fenêtre. It sounds f in a word. F, comme dans fenêtre. Let's say fenêtre, fenêtre. What is fenêtre? Window, window. I hope you know fenêtre. That's great. F, comme dans fenêtre. F as in fenêtre. Fenêtre. Can you repeat? Good. F, comme dans fenêtre. The next one, G. G. G, comme dans gant. In a word that begin with G, and later we have a vowel like O, E, or U. The G sound G, G, G. So G comme dans gant. Repeat. G comme dans gant. Gant. Again, gant. What is gant? Can you tell me? All right, you don't know gant. Gant is not the language gant that people speak. No, this one is gloves. Gloves. You see, gant takes S, so it means gloves, that is plural. G comme dans gant. Gant. Now, ash. Ash. Let's say ash. Comme dans haricot. Haricot. You don't say haricot because the letter that comes after the A, the H is A. So it is a silent H here. So it is haricot. And what is haricot? Haricot is beans. 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 Yes, as I was saying, ash come down haricot. Ash come down haricot. And haricot is, yes, haricot is beans. Haricot is beans. So you should know that haricot is beans. I hope you like beans. Beans and what? Rice. Hey, that's great. Let's continue. Okay, before then, let's read the first three. F, comme dans fenêtre. F, comme dans fenêtre. Can you repeat? F, comme dans fenêtre. F, comme dans fenêtre. G, comme dans gant. Gant. Here it sounds G because of the A. Because of the A. If it were O or U, it will sound same G. So gant. Gant. Ash, comme dans haricot. Haricot. The H is silent. They say haricot. Haricot. All right. We continue. Continue with the next one. E, comme dans infirmière. Infirmière. E, comme dans infirmière. Infirmière. Can you repeat? E, comme dans infirmière. Repeat. Infirmière. It's not infirmière. It's infirmière. Mière. You see the accent on the E, like this one, will make it sound E. Infirmière. But the E at the end will not sound. So don't say infirmière. No. Infirmière. infirmière. I as in, or E as in infirmière. That's what it means. What is infirmière? You see, infirmière means nurse. Nurse. That's the female of nurse in French. That is infirmière. Now let's go to the second one. J, comme dans jambe. Jambe. J, ja. J as in jambe. J as in jambe. Ja. Can you repeat? J as in jambe. Jambe. The next one. What is jambe? Jambe means legs. K as in kiosk. 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 We have already learned E. So here the K and E will give you kiosk. 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 K come down kiosk. K as in kiosk. What is kiosk? This is kiosk. A stand. It can be newsstand where you go there, you can buy graphic. So it is a stand. Kiosk. Kiosk as car as in kiosk. All right, let's read these three. The first, E as in infirmière. Infirmière. Again, E as in infirmière. Infirmière. J as in jambe. 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 Again, J as in jambe. Jambe. K as in kiosk. 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 K as in kiosk. Kiosk. All right. This is the end of this lesson. You've learned from A up to K. So today we are going to end here and hope to continue next time from L. L. So I entreat you to watch and watch all over. Since we have them in your book as well, you kindly pick up your book and you read along as you are watching the video. Should you have any question, you wait and drop the question on the platform. The parent can do so since they are kids and they cannot write or comment. You parent can comment on the platform for me to address the issue. This platform is an interactive one. You can ask questions and have answers. Thank you for being part of this class today. I hope to see you next time in the next class where we continue from L. L. Merci d'être dans cette classe et portez-vous bien. Au revoir mes élèves. Coucou, au revoir, bisous, bisous.